Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tea using condensed milk. This easy guide will walk you through each step to create a delicious, creamy beverage. First, you'll need to gather your simple ingredients: your favorite tea, some hot water, and of course, condensed milk. We'll then move on to brewing your tea to the perfect strength, ensuring a rich base for our sweet addition. Get ready to enjoy a delightful cup. Choosing the right ingredients is key to your perfect cup. For a classic taste, I recommend using a strong black tea, such as Assam or Ceylon, which holds up well to the sweetness. When it comes to condensed milk, you can adjust the quantity to match your desired level of sweetness and creaminess. Full-fat condensed milk will give you a richer, more indulgent texture. Feel free to experiment with different tea types to discover your personal favorite combination. Achieving the best flavor starts with proper brewing. Always use freshly boiled water, ideally at a temperature between 95 and 100 degrees Celsius, to extract the most from your tea leaves. Steep your tea for at least 3 minutes. For a bolder flavor, you might even use 2 tea bags for every 8 ounces of water. Be careful not to oversteep, as this can introduce an undesirable bitter note to your otherwise delightful beverage. Now for the best part: serving and enjoying your delicious creation. You can savor your condensed milk tea hot, perfect for a cozy moment, or pour it over ice for a wonderfully refreshing cold drink. For an extra touch, consider a small garnish like a sprinkle of cinnamon or a fresh mint leaf. Take a moment to appreciate the creamy texture and balanced sweetness you've just crafted. Cheers to your perfect cup of tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.